everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about that what is the difference between creators account and a business account on Instagram. So चलो start करते हैं. There are majorly 4 to 5 differences between these two accounts. Firstly, we will be discussing the similarities between both the accounts, and lastly we'll be discussing about the differences. So stay tuned for all the differences. So the number one thing is what is creator account. So creator account is basically for creators, that is influencer, individuals and all the public figures. And on the other hand, business account is for brands, organizations and businesses. Let's talk about the similarities. In both the account we can run ads, we can put links in bio, and also we can add shopping tags. In both the accounts, we'll get the advanced insight, get to know about the followers, demographics, reach, etc. And in both the accounts, we can definitely apply for a blue verification badge. Both the accounts has insights dashboard. So these were the similarities between the two accounts. Now let's just talk about the differences. So the major difference between these two accounts are that in creators account, we can use all the music. That is, we can use the trending audios, that is music in our stories and posts. But in business account, there are limited songs, limited music which we can use for our posts and stories. In creators account, there are less options for CTA, that is call to action. That is, there are less options compared to the business account. And in business accounts, we have CTA, that is call to action, contact, email, etc. In creators account, we can reach a wider audience and there are chances of more visibility. But in business account, there is less visibility and less reach. In creators account, there is more organic reach, and in business account, there is low organic reach. In creators account, there are monetization tools, and in business account, they don't have any. I have tried both the accounts, that is business account and creators account. The reach of creators account is very good. The followers, the views you get in creators account is very good in quantity. Business accounts don't get that much reach, and I have experienced that. I have been consistently posting on my business account as well as on my creators account, and I can clearly see the difference. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section what all videos you guys want me to make. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe for more such tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.